Hey everyone, I'm turning regular rainbow dolls into full-on Huntrix looks. Inspired by Rumi, Mera, and Zoey. OMG, I can't wait to start. The first makeover is for Zoey. First things first, hair time.
Wow.
Oh, and here are the scissors. I've always wanted to feel like a real hairstylist. Zoey's signature thing is her bangs. I separate a small front section and trim it just above the eyebrows. Perfect. Now let's work on the rest of the hair. I split it into 2 sections and twist them into little buns. Totally Zoey vibes. Now the other side. Yes, it looks just like the original, but I almost forgot the main thing. Zoey has to be a brunette. And done, black hair.
Wow.
This looks insanely cool. Next, I move on to the doll's makeup. I add blush to the cheeks, draw white freckles. Zoey looks stunning. Wait, where did Roomie run off to? What's wrong, sweetheart? Is this the hair salon?
Yes?
I can't brush my hair at all. Don't worry, I've got you. But first, let's open our studio. Ta-da! Wow, this place is so cool. Time to do Roomie's hair. I set the doll in the chair and start with washing her hair. This hair needs a lot of shampoo.
Oh my!
I lather it up really well. Scalp massage, so relaxing. Now we rinse everything thoroughly. To prevent tangles, I apply a moisturizing hair mask and leave it on for 3 minutes. Perfect, time to rinse. I gently towel dry the hair and wrap it up to absorb the water. Are we gonna braid it now? Hold on, first we need to blow dry it. Great, now I start brushing, carefully from the ends and working my way up. I lightly trim the tips.
Nice!
For the braid, I'll need small elastics. I separate 2 front strands with a comb and tie the rest of the hair into small ponytails. I add some gel so the hair stays smooth. I pull the front strands over the first ponytail and secure them at the back. I repeat this all the way down. I'll hide the elastic at the bottom with some gold trim.
Nice!
Uh-oh, I think the marks are about to show. For that, I'll need glue and glitter. I pour glue into a container, add glitter, lots of it, don't be shy, and mix it well with a brush. Using a thin brush, I carefully paint the designs. I add earrings to her ears. Roomie's look is on the next level. Hey, take a look at yourself. Whoa, is that really me?
Woohoo!
Oh, did you lose this? Looks like it's Mera's. Yep, that's right. For Mera's hairstyle, I've got something extra special ready. With this ribbon, I'll show you how to make a real wig for a doll, easy and fast. But first, total makeover time. I cut off the old hair. Done. So how do we turn ribbons into curls? We unravel it. Look at these gorgeous hair wefts. I glue them onto the doll's head. I put the front strands back and tie them into little ponytails. Mera's hair turned out super bright and silky. I decorate the ponytails with sparkly hair clips. Last touch, add a little color to the lips.
Wow!
And just like that, now all my girls have slay-level hairstyles. Which of these hairstyles would you want for yourself? Tell me in the comments. The girls' hair looks amazing, but they definitely need new outfits. Who should we start with? I want to go first. Perfect. I'm about to show you a life hack for making doll clothing patterns. I'll need some paper tape. I wrap the doll's torso with small pieces like this.
Nice! Oh my!
Now I've got a paper top. I mark where the seams will be. Carefully cut it open and take the pattern off. I stick the templates onto the fabric and trace around them. Cut everything out with scissors. All that's left is removing the finished pieces. Perfect! I prefer sewing by hand. Tiny clothes need tiny, neat stitches. Yes, this top fits perfectly. Next up, shorts. Same method, same pattern magic. And here's the full outfit. Roomie, go try it on.
Yeah, okay.
It's cute and comfy. And here's your jacket.
Wow!
Gold is Huntrix's signature style. Chains on the belt, and here are the boots. But first, we repaint them white. I coat the sole with clear polish and sprinkle gold glitter on top. OMG, so stylish. I finish them off with gold laces. Roomie's concert look is officially done. Amazing! Bravo! Wow! And what's this? Here are the materials for Mera's outfit. Let's see what I've got.
Wow.
And what's this? In the first bag, patterns for a top and a skirt. Trace, cut, done. Now I grab my needle and thread. I just need to add a front slit. Yay, the jacket is ready. Let's try it on Mera. The color and fit are perfect. To make the skirt fit just right, I sew it here. Nailed it! I highlight the waist with a gold belt and add another belt lower on the hips. For a keychain detail, I've got these gold tassels. Cut one off and glue it to the belt. On the side, I add a black triangle accent. Gold shoulder pads. Add some gold chains, sparkly buttons, and trim the edges with glitter ribbon. And here come the luxury heels. Mera looks absolutely stunning!
Woohoo!
Thank you, Crafty Loo.
Wow! Mera, you look amazing! I want one too! Let's go, hurry!
Zoey walks into a clothing store.
I'm gonna pick something out. I want to try this on. Don't go anywhere, I'll be quick. How is it?
No, that's not your vibe, Zoey.
I found something else.
All right, show me.
So, what do you think?
It's cute, but way too basic for the stage. Try this instead.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Ooh, I like it, but it feels like something's missing.
Maybe this jacket and skirt? Yes, now we're talking.
Thanks.
A glam belt with chains, gold trim, a statement necklace. I decorate the cuffs with thin gold ribbon and use the same ribbon on the top.
So, how do I look?
Zoey, you look mega cool.
Thanks.
And here come the other girls.
Hey.
The Huntrix looks turned out absolutely stunning.
Wow!
The gold details look super luxe. And the hairstyles are spot on like the originals. With looks like these, Huntrix always wins.
Through a paper maze. Watch me rise, watch me slay. Who needs a throne when you own the stage? No mirror rules my crown. No filter tears.
What do you think of our makeover? Tell me in the comments. Did the dolls look like Huntrix members Rumi, Mera, and Zoey? I tried so hard. Love you all. Mwah! Bye-bye. See you in the next video.